In this video, you will learn in an easy way how to calculate the square root of 256. So, to do this calculation, there are two methods you can follow. The first one is as follows. You need to know which number, when multiplied by itself, results in 256. If you know this calculation off the top of your head, you can already find the square root right here. What number, when multiplied by itself, results in 256? This value is the result of our square root of 256. Now, if you have trouble identifying what that number is, we'll need to do the prime factorization of 256. So let's take 256 and divide it by its factors. Prime factors. Since 256 is an even number, we'll start dividing by 2. So this line is a division line. 256 divided by 2 is equal to 128. 128 can be divided by 2. Divided by 2, it's 64. By 2, that's 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And finally, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Once we reach 1, we've finished the prime factorization. Now pay close attention here, student. We're not calculating a square root, this index. Isn't it equal to 2? Since the index here is equal to 2, for every 2 identical numbers, for every 2 repeating factors, one of them will come out of the root. For every 2 identical factors, 1 comes out of the root. For every 2 identical factors, 1 comes out of the root. And finally, this other 2 here also comes out of the root. These values that came out of the root, we're going to write them as a product. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now all that's left is to do this multiplication so we can find the value of the square root of 256. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. Therefore, the square root of 256 is 16. That's because when we multiply 16 by 16, the result is 256. So these are the two ways you can use to calculate the square root of 256. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. A big hug to you all, and may God bless you.